Hi there, Dr. Sandhu here from Bedford Chiropractic Clinic. Today, I want to show you a gentle chiropractic treatment. What we have is, we have a tool called an activator, and what this does is puts a very, very fast but shallow stretch through a joint or a muscle. So, I have my willing volunteer here, and what we're going to do is, first of all, we're just going to test a few things. So, pull up towards you. So here we're just testing the pelvis and the hips. That's great, and everything's good. We're just going to test the muscle here now. Hold there and push up for me. Okay, a little bit of weakness there. Push up. Good there. So we've got a weakness in this muscle, which is the big hip flexor. So we're just going to relax it, and we're going to use this rather than just massaging it or stretching it. This is so fast. Hold here for me and push up. But Ted, is it gentle?
Yeah.
Fantastic. Good. Now we're just going to check the shoulders. Push that way. Brilliant. Push again. Excellent. Push back to me. Good. Push down. We're just testing all the shoulder muscles to find out if there's any problems, and there isn't. The other great thing about Bedford Chiropractic Clinic is we have these amazing tables that actually help with gentle adjustments as well. We can do the more physical adjustments, but most patients prefer a gentle adjustment. Push that way. Good. And push down. Beautiful. And relax again, Ted. Perfect. And up you come. Good. Now, stand for me, Ted. And just face that way. And that way, all the way for me. Now, we're just going to check the neck. And we've got a little bit of tension in here, so we're just going to release that. And again, a nice, gentle way of treating the neck. On your tummy. Fantastic. What we're going to do now is we're just going to check sort of the leg length, and we're going to check the back. So if we see there's a little bit of a difference there. And right arm behind you, Ted. Fantastic. And that tells me there's a little issue here in his L4. So we're just going to adjust that. And then I can go up the spine and I can check for any other sort of subluxations, malpositions in the spine, and I can treat them all the way right up into the neck. And again, we're just checking the neck again, and we've got a rib that's a little bit tight here. That's great. Okay, let's check that again. Perfect. That's great, Ted. Up you come. Fantastic. And if you just step off. Thank you. How was that?
Yeah, fine. Yeah, no problems.
Fantastic. So that's a gentle chiropractic treatment here at Bedford Chiropractic Clinic. I'll see you soon.